Okay. I'm publishing this after my short because I actually want to go down there and try not to die. So as you can tell, I have like a lot of, yeah, I can tell. Dude, the controller's so different. I didn't need that. I only had yeah, this. Yeah, so let's grab that. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to die this time. Oh, by the way, from now on, as you can tell, I'm making intros now. Yeah, just wait for this guy. Hopefully I don't glitch. Okay, I didn't glitch this time. I have severe allergies, I don't know why. So I'm gonna hop down here, turn on the flashlight, just... Okay. He's right behind me, isn't he? Alright, just like last time, epic chase scene. Pop up here. Ah! Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. Just to distract him. Alright, we distracted him. That part's down. Alright. Armstrong's over there. I got this. Wait, I have a light. I forgot. What was I even trying to do when I was here? Okay. Yeah, well, what was going through my mind to do this? Dude, I don't even have a light. Should have brought another one. God dang it. Wait, maybe the other way. Oh god. Jesus, that scared me. Oh god, big. Gotta go him. Look at how big he is. He is right under me, though. Oh! Oh my god. Woo! Okay, let's go over here. Oh god, I should have brought a light. Okay. Okay. Ah! What was this? What is this? What is that? What was that? Oh! Ah! Got this, guys. Wait. I don't remember them being that slow. But dude, I forgot they had no masks. Let's go back. Alright. I don't even know why I did that. It's just for fun, I guess. Wait. Is Anglerfish still distracted? Oh boy, I don't know. Alright, I gotta join a random server. I forgot this other machine disappears. Wait a minute. Okay, I guess I can't join a random. Anyway, bye-bye.